Hello and welcome. In this video, we're gonna talk about button sender software. Now, to see how the software works, let's get started with my desktop screen. So here is how our software looks like. Usually, you can scan a single QR code and create a single instance. But in this software, you can create 10 instances at the same time. Simply go to device menu and on the upper right corner, hit the create instance button, give the name to your new instance, hit create and scan QR code for this instance. That's it. Your instance is ready. In this way, you can use 10 WhatsApp accounts. We have created 3 instances for demonstration. Welcome message. WhatsApp provides you facility to send welcome message to the person who is first time texting you, who may be unknown for you. But in our software, you can add call to action buttons also. So they can call you direct from your WhatsApp chat. Also, you can add your business website. So they can directly check your website and know more about your business. And also you can add your all products or services as list or menu in your welcome message, which will increase your customer engagement. Now let's see how to use this feature. Now go to welcome message menu, click on the add welcome message button. Now here you have to choose instance for which you want to create welcome message. Here is message type. You can customize your welcome message as text, text with media, button, button with media, list or menu with media. We are selecting list or menu here. Simply type or just paste your copied text here in the message box. Now let's move on to create our menu. Here we are taking example of jewelry business. So our menu title will be jewelry list. Middle title will be select and footer title as click on below button. Now create our menu. Give title and description of your product. We are just giving titles like rings, necklace, pile, earring, bracelet, kangan, etc. In this way, you can add all of your products here. That's it. Your list is ready. Hit create and your welcome message is ready for those selected instances. Moving on, auto reply. You can use this feature to reply or to answer the customer's frequently asked questions. This don't need any human involvement. They will get answer direct from software. Now let's see how to set auto reply for those menu items that we have created in welcome message. So people will get answer for those items when they click on that menu item. Simply go to auto reply menu and add auto reply. Here you have to choose your keywords, which are nothing but the menu items that you have created. Then select instance for which you want to create auto reply and then your message type. We are selecting button here. So if you have subcategories for your list items, then you can create again list or menu here. Simply type or paste your message here in message box, then footer title, whatever you want. We are adding click on below buttons. Here you get 3 type of buttons: quick reply button, call button and URL button. In the first, we are choosing call button. Give title for your button. I'm giving title as call now. Then add phone number. Now to create new button, click on add button. For this button, we are selecting URL button, giving title as website. So after adding website URL, just hit create. That's it. Your auto reply for that particular keyword is created. Template. Same message you're using every time for your marketing, then you can use template. So you can save your time for creating or texting your message every time. Now let's see how to use the template feature. Simply go to the template menu, add template and you will see this pop up. Add the template name we are adding as marketing tool. Then message type. We have several options from which we are selecting button. Again, type or simply paste your message here in message box. Add the footer title. We are adding as click below buttons. Then moving on to the buttons. Select button type. We are selecting quick reply button, giving the title as WhatsApp marketing software. Again, click on the add button, add to create a new button. Again, quick reply button and giving title as data software. And third one is email software. Simply hit create and your template is ready. Number filter. In your contact data list, there may be some contacts which are landline numbers and some which are not available on WhatsApp. So by using this feature, you will get all those contacts which are available on WhatsApp. Now let's see how this feature works. Simply go to the number filter menu. On the top right corner, click on import and then select Excel sheet that you have created. Here you can remove duplicate numbers. You can also clear invalid numbers. If in your contact list country code is not added, then you can add it from here. Now select instance and then filter. After filtration, you will get one more extra function, which is clear non-WhatsApp numbers. So contacts which are not available on WhatsApp will be automatically removed. Now this filtered contacts, you can send it direct to sender list or you can export it. Now we have filtered our contacts, we have set our welcome message, our templates are ready, auto replies also set. So now it's time to send message. So let's move on to send message. We have created templates, so we're choosing our template, or you can create your customized message here also. Then select instance from which you want to send message. We have imported our contacts direct from number filters. You can also add contacts manually. Simply add campaign name and hit send. Now those contacts will get your customized, attractive and eye-catching marketing message. That's it. Now for this marketing on how many contacts our messages are sent, how many are pending, all these details we can get from report menu. So let's move on to the next topic, report menu. Clicking on the view report, you will get all details about how many are sent, how many are pending, if your campaign is running, so you can pause it or delete it too. You can also resume your paused campaign. Group grabber. We can have so many groups in our WhatsApp and so many contacts are not saved in our phone. So you can use this feature to do marketing on those contacts. Simply select instance from which you want your group contacts and then fetch group. So you will have all those groups from that instance. Now you have to select the group or groups, or you can select all groups and then import all. So you will get all contacts from those groups. So you can export these contacts or you can add this direct to sender list, or you can create contact list from these contacts. That's it. Now contacts. For retargeting purpose, you need to find that Excel contact sheet, do number filter and all. So this feels a long process. Here we can save this contacts in our software as contact list, so we can use it again easily. So simply just go to number filter menu, add contacts. You can upload Excel sheet also. We are adding manually. After filtration, just click on create contact list. Add name for this list and hit create. So our created list will be shown here in contacts menu. You can view this list or you can delete it also. Select list and click on import all. So you will get all contacts from that list. Now you can add this contacts direct to sender list or you can export it too. That's it. Now moving on to settings. You can see here switch account after. We have set that for 5 message. We have added 3 instances here. That means after every 5 message, your instance will be rotated. That means first 5 message from one instance, second 5 message from second instance, and third 5 message from third instance. And then again fourth 5 message will be from first instance. Default country code. Select the default country code, so you will get that on the top of the list every time. Then delay between message. Here we set the time interval between 2 messages. We have said that for 3 to 5 seconds, but if you are sharing some large files, then you can increase this time, so chance to get failed messages will be less. Then sleep between sending. This means you are giving break to your software for this time interval. We have set 25 message. This means after 25 messages, our software will take a nap of 10 seconds. Again 25 message will be sent, and again a short nap of 10 seconds. Now you are sharing medias and text also, so here you can set what should be sent first. Send parallel messages from instance. If this feature is enabled, so your all instance will work together. All instances are sending messages. But if it is disabled, then messages will be sent from one instance, then second instance, and then third instance. So messages will be sent from one by one instances. So here demonstration for our software is completed. If you have any query or suggestion, just tell us here in comment box. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.